Hello everyone, it's Nick from the Fabella team, and today I want to talk a little bit about annotations. And annotations are essentially sticky notes for your projects. And a very easy way for you to do this is just right click, create annotation, and then by double clicking on it, you'll see another pop-up will open, and you can change the type of annotation, whether it's for a comment, information, to do, a bug, or something that may be obsolete. Another thing that you can do is change the font size, small, medium, large, huge, and also the width of your annotation bar. You can also have rounded edges, and you can check unrestricted height. Now this is very important because if you're writing a note that is extremely long, you may want that whole note to show up, or you may want it to be truncated or cropped. And then the next thing you can do is actually determine whether or not you want it to be centerized or left or right. I prefer centerized. I just love everything to be centered. I don't know why. You can use a header. Now the header is limited to a certain amount of characters, so keep that in mind. I'll just put voice issue for this. And then down here you can type, I don't like her voice. Please change to another female voice. And then if there was any sort of link that you wanted to put in there, maybe you wanted to include some data or some documentation, like a link to the documentation, you would just take that link, copy it, put the link in there, and then create a link label, which is like link to docs. And then if they do click on this, it will then open up into the actual documentation or whatever link you put in there. So as you can see, and you can move this just about anywhere on the screen, you can move these annotations. And as you can see, annotations is a good way to ensure that you're staying on track. Maybe this is something you want to use for personal use as you're going through your project. Maybe you want to, you're collaborating with a team and you want to make sure that everybody's on the same page. Or you want to post something about a link that you found in reference to the different type of voices that you can use. So there's a lot of stuff to unpack here. And annotations is a great way to keep track of your project and ensure that everyone on your team or just yourself is on the same page. And if I needed to change something, I could just double click, change it. Maybe this isn't a comment, maybe this is a to-do now, and then exit out of this box. And as you can see, the color has changed. So with that being said, that pretty much wraps up this video on annotations. If you need more information, please check out the documentation for Fabella. Thank you very much and have a great day.